Bullet points have been a staple of presentation for decades, but let's be honest, they can be pretty boring. In this video, we are going to show you how to create modern bullet point in PowerPoint that will make your presentation stand out. Hey there, and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talking about how to create modern bullet point in PowerPoint. Now, before we get started, let's take a look at some example of traditional bullet point. Here I already opened a PowerPoint. It's about something, so I'm gonna show you. This called the traditional bullet point here, and here just you can add, like if I type something sample text here, and when I hit the enter, it's already came with the bullet point. So you can see this called the traditional bullet point, and just it's easy way, just you can change the bullet point style. So how can you do that? Just go to the insert bar and the insert tab. There are also the options in paragraph group about the bullet point. Here you can see there's the some arrow bullet points and the dot bullet points, some of the hello square bullet points like this. You can use from them very easily, and it's like the simple one you can use for your presentation. But today I'm going to show you how to use the effective bullet point to your presentation and how to create it, and it looks like very attractive to your audience. So it needs to be designed or customized by your tab like insert and design, transitions, animations, and also use the different tabs of them. Like here you can see this is kind of the bullet point, just it is the kind of the very attractive to your audience. So today I'm going to show you how to create the kind of bullets or appealing or modern bullet points with the PowerPoint. So what can I do? I'm using with a new slide, and just right click in here and use the new slide, and here you can see here already two text box. Top is click to add title, and the second one is click to add the text. Here you can use as a bullet point, but I'm not gonna use this text box for now, so I want to delete it. Just place the cursor to the placeholder and use the delete, then same as I can use the delete. Now you can see this is the blank presentation. So how can you create the appealing bullet points? Just a simple way I'm gonna showing you. So what I'm gonna do, I will start from the start and save. From saves I use like the rectangle rounded corner and hold it to my blank slide and resize it. Then what I'll do, I move it little bit down. Before that I'm gonna use the view tab and use the guides, so it will take me to exit margin so I can use the properly. And here I select the rectangle, then I'm gonna just duplicate it, use Ctrl D. Then now you can see this is the duplicate. Then what I'll do, I'll just resize it, both of them same time. I can just select resize it, then take it and do it a little bit small and take it a little bit down. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just use for now insert, and here I'm gonna use shape format, and you take out the shape outline. Now you can see this is the kind of. Then what I'm gonna do, select the both object, then more shapes and use the subtract. Before that what I'm gonna do, I use select first this one and then next one, then shape merge shape, then use this one. Then now you can see this is the one shape. Then what I'm gonna do, go to again insert, and from there shapes, take rectangle and take it to the here. And what I'm gonna do, then select both of them, use merge shape here. Now you can see little bit resize it here. Okay, then what I will do, go to again in the insert, from the insert the shapes, take the triangle and take it to here, then rotate it. You can just use, like if I say this one and move it down little bit here, then resize it, use your shift key, here. Okay, then what I'm gonna do, use shape format, take out the shape outline, here. Now you can see. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use insert, shape and rectangle, just drag down your cursor and just resize it, like if I resize it, then what I'm gonna do, use the shape fill. If I'm gonna use like this shape fill, then take it to back and it will, I'll take it to bring to front. Okay, now if I move it, so it will come up like this. Then what I'm gonna do, before that I'm gonna just select both of them and do the group. Now it can be moved at a time. Okay, then what I'm gonna do, I go to again the insert and from there shape and use like the delay flowchart, and here then do the rotate it, flip horizontal, I'm gonna do, take it to both, do it the group first, then take it to there. Then what I'm gonna do, I'll do again the ungroup it here, but these two I'll group it, save, regroup it. I will take it to front, bring to front, send to back here. Then this one I'll take out the outline, so using the no outline, then change the different shape color. If I say like this one, let's see how it looks like, and just I can resize it little bit, then again I'll group it. Okay, then I use another insert, shape and use the rectangle, then use the different rectangle here and use the different color. If I use this one, it's okay, and send it to back, then take out the outline, no outline. Okay, then what I'm gonna do, I'll duplicate it, just Ctrl D, and you can see now here this is the outline and this is the duplicate one. Then rotate it to flip horizontal and take it to here, you can see, move it a little bit. Then what I'm gonna do, just select both of them and duplicate it, Ctrl D. Now it's duplicate and just use in here like this. and move it just little bit in the size, in the places, then again duplicate it so it's come up like this. Okay, here now you can see this is the kind of we are going to create a bullet point. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the different colors. So what I'll do, I'll just go to the shape field and use the different shape color and select the both of them. Before that I'll just do the group, is already in group. So what I'm gonna do, use the different shape color. Okay, so before that I'm gonna do, I'll just move it a little bit down, select and select one, both of them, and I can just move it to a little bit top. Yeah, okay, then what I'm gonna do, I want to just little bit take it down. Yeah, then I can just change it, the shape color. Before that I just select this one and use like the simple one. I can do the same color, this one. Then same way I can do for this one, the different color. As usual we can do for the another object. Okay, for now I'm just taking out the another four. I'm just taking out and delete of them. Then you can see here is also the style. Now what I'm gonna do, I select the right one, then I'm gonna change the color with shape format, and here you can see the shape fill, and there is an option, it's about the gradient. I use the gradient. Here you can use the light variations of gradient. There is the different like the linear, diagonal, or different kind of. So I'm using the one, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use like the gradient and use the more gradient. Then in the right pane you can see the format shape. In here shape format, there's few options like fill with no fill, solid fill, gradient, pictures or texture fill, pattern fill, and slide background fill. So for now I'm using gradient, and here already I'm select the color. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm use the linear one, and here's the present gradients is already selected, so you can choose from the different one whatever you want. If you select this, it will change. Okay, for now you can use. Then you can direction, you can change the different from which side you want to, linear like down, linear like the left, that kind of. So for now I'm using the one. Then you can use with the gradient stop, so you can just move it and it can be showing you how can you shows up your gradients here, whatever you like. And you can just use the different color if you want to change it. Just for now the kind of or whatever, you just move it and you can use. Then the left side you can do same as the gradient fill and with the different style. So let's see, like if I use this one and use, and if I like, I'm gonna use the different here and use the now you can see here is the different gradient. Okay, then you can use the positions and transparency. You can use the different, like it will transparent like this, but here I'm using this gradient. Then I'm gonna do, I'll just select it. Now you can see this is the kind of the bullet point. I already made it. Then what I'm gonna do, I'll just take out with the view, I'll take out the guide. Let's see, how it looks like. Here already outlined, so I want to take out the outline. Go to the save outline and use the no outline. So now you can see when I click in here, you can see there's the difference outline. Okay, then we'll just select it and make it to animate it, then it can be look like the different. Before that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the text. So click in here. So if I say section 1, or you can write text whatever you here, same as you can do, just copy it and paste it to the there, paste it in here. Here, and just change it. It can be section 2. I'm just giving the section 3, section 4, and it can be section 5. Okay, then you can use the more details like the point you can use in here. Then I'm going to use it the animate it, so select it here. Before that, so what I'm gonna do, I select all of them, save and check it, is it group or not. So here it's grouped. Now select this one and go to the animation. In animation, from there animation group, you can just, I'm using add animation and use the more intense effect. Here I'm just use the stretch one. Here you can see, just if you want to preview it, just you can see play from beginning. Yeah, that one, but I'm used to effect option, so here I can just use right. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, but I'm gonna use it from the left. Okay, then let's see how it will come. It will come like this. You can use also the start on click or the after previous. Okay, then same I can do for the other slide. When I do that, I just select animation painter, click and take it to here, and same I can do for the number slide. But second and fourth section I can do the different, like if I say add more intense and straight. Okay, then use it like the one and use it to more from right. Let's see how it will come like this. So same I want to do with the animation painter and click on that here. Okay, now you can see this is the first, second, third, fourth and fifth, but I want to organize it. So how can I do that? This is the slide 1, this is the slide 2, but I want to take it into second, and if I say the one, then this one. So you now 1 2 3 4 and 5. Let's see how it will come, and with the preview click, then here section number 3 and number 4. Okay, so it's the simple way just you can do. And also you can add more text and more color in your presentation. It depends on your the background pictures or background theme. You can change the color in here, and you can also format the tab. Okay, and there you have it, and modern bullets point. You can repeat this step for each bullet points in your presentation to create a cohesive look. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks.